Hey everybody, hope everybody is doing well. The end of the year is upon us. It's really crazy that 2020 is almost over. And now with the end of the year, the festivities normally that goes along with the end of the year, with Christmas, with Thanksgiving, a lot of great memories are made during that time. Whether that's spending it with family or with friends. Normally a lot of great memories are made during this time. Now, if you're familiar with live photos on Apple, they do this great thing where they save just a few seconds of the photo. Apple also has this feature where it will also allow live photos to be used as lock screen, and then you can hold down on it and then it will actually play that moment. So today I will be teaching you how to turn any video you take into your very own live photo lock screen in preparation for all the future memorable events. Hopefully my phone doesn't die. I'm at like 17%. Okay, the very first thing that you'll want to do is download an app called Video to Live. So we're gonna go to the App Store. I already have it open, but in the search bar you would type out Video to Live. You're going to download the very first one that pops up, Video to Live Photos. Now, it's free on the App Store and it won't have the friendliest user interface because it's free, but it does get the job done for the fact that it is free. So after you've downloaded the photos, you'll have to allow photos. Well, let's just open it first. You'll have to allow access to all photos. This is the very first screen that you'll see. And after you've done that, you will want to tap on a video that you want to convert into a live photo. So I have a specific video in mind. Once you tap on the video, it'll give you this notice. If the app crashes when converting, please tap the options button and turn on the remove sound option. So if it does keep crashing, go to the options and then press the remove sound option so that it can do that. From here, use the sliders to determine how long you want the length of the video to be. I want to make it about 24 seconds of B-roll, about 24 seconds of this coffee and pancakes. Because who doesn't love coffee and pancakes? Yeah, let's turn this into a live photo lock screen. So if there's any problems, again, you'll go to options and then you will press remove sound, turn that on, close, and then go ahead and convert. Now, also something that's very important is you want to select your cover. So you're going to play the video until you find a part of the video that you like. I like that one. We're gonna press make cover, and then we're gonna convert. It's going to convert and sometimes it will crash. So if it does happen, make sure you turn off the sound and then try again. Close all the apps just so that it's clear there. Okay, after it has been saved, it'll tell you that your video has been converted to live photo and saved to your album. Make sure it's enabled when you set it as a wallpaper. If you have 3D touch, make sure it's enabled. So that's what it will tell you. And then once it has been converted, you can go to your Photos app, open the photo that we just converted. At this time, tap on the box in the lower left-hand corner. Scroll down all the way to use as wallpaper, and then determine where you want to focus it, whether it's left or right or just center. I'm gonna just center it, and then press set. You're gonna set as lock screen, and that's it. Now let's see how that looks on the screen. So this is the cover. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this one. Let me know down in the comments down below. Do you like coffee? Do you like pancakes? Do you prefer tea? Do you like waffles? Let me know. I'm curious if anybody doesn't like coffee and pancakes in the morning. Until next time, see you guys next time.